Hi everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the today's session, we are going to discuss about the scope of ETL tester, and also we will know what is ETL testing and what are the advantages of ETL testing and what are the skills required to become a ETL tester. And also we will know what is the scope of ETL tester and what is the average salary for ETL tester. We will discuss all these concepts in this session. So before moving to the main topic, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to share to your friends as well. Let's come back to the main topic. What is ETL testing and what are the advantages of ETL testing and what are the skills required to become an ETL tester? We will cover all these concepts one by one. First, let us see what is ETL testing. ETL stands for extract, transform and load. Okay, so ETL testing is ensure that the data which has been loaded from a source to destination after transformation, it is whether the data is accurate or not, and it involves the verification of data various stages which is used between source and destination. You may have doubt what are the advantages of using ETL testing. So there are primarily two advantages are there, like data quality and reduce the data loss. Data quality means here, and ETL testing ensures that only accurate and relevant data that is falling into the production system. So by using ETL testing, we can significantly reduces the risk of data loss. Okay, now we will discuss what are the skills required to become a ETL tester. So the primary skills are SQL. You must be strong in to write SQL queries. Okay, and the next one is you must be strong in any commands like Unix or Linux. Okay, and also you should have understanding of data warehousing concepts, data migration concept and ETL concepts as well. Okay, at the same time you should know on how to write test cases and test design and test execution, data validation, and also you should aware of quality assurance procedure as well. And also you should be strong in agile concepts as well, agile and scrum. And also you must have knowledge on any management project management tool like Jira as well. Okay, and understanding of project end-to-end flow, end-to-end process, also you must aware of these concepts. Okay, but the primary one is SQL concept, SQL. Okay, then now we will discuss what is the scope of ETL tester. I always feel that testers are always so I always feel that testers are one of the most important part of the team. So the tester should take up the responsibility to ensure the product is high quality, bug free, and also it meets the customer requirements and expectations. So therefore ETL testers have bright future because mainly the ETL testers working on the projects like big data analytics projects. In the future also there are a huge number of big data projects will come into the market. So therefore ETL test has bright future, no doubt in that. You just go ahead. Okay, and then you may have doubt what is the average salary for ETL tester. So it depends on the company and the location. Anyhow, the average salary for ETL testers are, it's like if you are a 3 years of experience candidate, then you can definitely ask 7 to 8 lakhs or 9 lakhs. Suppose if you are a 4 years of experience in ETL tester, then you can ask 10 to 12 lakhs. So it depends on the company. Some companies will give more package, some companies will give a low package, and that too based on your skill set as well. Okay, what type of additional skills you have, and based on your experience and location, they will consider about your salary. So that's all guys my side. So if you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget to share to your friends also. Okay, so and also don't forget to hit the like button. So we will meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.